start again. It's a rage thing.
Welcome back to another video, guys. So, got a frog in my throat. Just going to do something quick and fun today. I haven't got a clue what I'm doing yet. I have got, these are really late this month. This is Madam Glam, 4 colours from their January collection. I'll leave it up on the screen. There's 8 colours in this collection. I've got 4 of them. I'm just going to give them a quick swatch so I can see the colours in front of me. And then, yeah, I haven't really got a lot of time today. Just going to do something quick, fun, simple and easy, I think. So, what have we got? So, anyway, for anybody that's new, Madam Glam are 15ml. They're big bottles. And they are famous for being HEMA-free and palm oil-free. They're a 21-free formula, cruelty-free, vegan, fantastic gels. So colours, we have got Seek and See. We've got Astrological Goddess. That's a mouthful. Mystique and Green Energy. So let's give them a quick swatch. I'm so looking forward to this one. It looks like a really nice nude. It does. So let's get them swatched and just do a little cheeky gel polish design today, I think. Let's have a look at this. Oh, this swatch stick's been used for something, I think. Yeah, I like this a lot. This is a very, very nice creamy nude. It's like a really pale beige, isn't it? I like that a lot. So opaque. I love these gels. I like that a lot. That's a brilliant base colour for any design, isn't it? Always popular, these kind of colours. So then we've got Astrological Goddess. Right, I'm just going to fly through these guys, stick some music on. Right guys, that is them swatched. I love them. They're just nice, warm. I think brilliant for this time of year, aren't they? Oh, I don't know which ones to use. I love them 2 together. I do, and that. Oh yeah. What's that? It's got a hair. I like them 3 together. I think I might use them 3. They go together really nice, don't they? I love that green as well. I think I'm going to do something with these. I don't know what. I'm going to go make a cup of tea and have a little think. Something quick and cute, I'm thinking. So I decided to stick with those 3 colours. I just think they go together so nice. They're just warm colours, aren't they? They're just nice colours. So I'm using Astrological Goddess on this first nail. It's going to be a full cover. I've decided to do what I thought would be quick. It wasn't quick at all. It took me 3 hours actually, this set. 3 hours. I decided to do a little cute teddy bear set. You will have already seen it in the thumbnail. But yeah, it was a long set. So these middle 2 nails are going to be done in the nude. This is called Seek and See. I think this is my new favourite nude from Madam Glam. Don't forget as well, guys, you can get 30% off Madam Glam products using my code Unpolished30. It's always in my description box with a link to the website. So everything's going to have a second coat. I do all the second coats off camera. So they're just getting cured for 30 seconds. And this last tip, I'm going to do a nail bed using the Seek and See. So I like to just paint most of my nail bed using the brush out the bottle, and then I will tidy it up, neaten it up with a small brush. I always like to use the Madam Glam long fine liner. It's just a perfect length for doing quite short lines, but you can get away with doing detail work with it as well. So I use it in most designs now. It's a really versatile little brush. I really like it. So I'm just tidy up that smile line and stick that in the lamp for 30 seconds. And then lastly, to finish off my base colours, the free edge is going to be done in the Astrological Goddess. That's a right mouthful, isn't it? So same as the nail bed, I use the brush out the bottle for the most part, and then use that little brush to tidy it up. I'm so tired. No, I'm not tired, guys. I feel poorly. My head is pounding. I'm all bunged up. My throat's sore. So fingers crossed, touch wood, I'm not getting poorly, but yep, I feel like I'm getting poorly. So now that is all my base colours down, I'm just wiping off the tacky layer because I want these nails to be matte, and I don't like putting matte top coats over a tacky layer. So I'm using the Madam Glam Velvet Matte Top Coat. This matte top coat's full of bits. It's my old one, but I'm determined to get to the bottom of that bottle, get as much out of it before I bin it and start a new one. And it's full of bits, so I do have to piss about with it to get a smooth nail. So I'm doing little paw prints. So I'm using a dotting tool, and I'm kind of doing like upside down love hearts, and I'm doing them one at a time. Yeah, because I was scared of making mistakes and smudging them, and so I've done one at a time, sprinkled it in acrylic, and I'm giving them a double cure. So yeah, they're like little upside down love hearts. My thumb gets in the way, guys, I'm so sorry. Using a teeny tiny little dotting tool, and I'm just doing 2 little dots and then a dot in the middle of those and just joining them up. Yeah, like a heart, an upside down heart, and then just 4 little dots around it like that. And I'm going to carry that on all the way down the nail, doing loads of little paw prints all the way down the nail. I'm not going to show you the whole nail because it's exactly the same as what I've just done. But what I did do, whilst that nail's curing in the lamp, I've gone on to this nail. Again, same thing, little paw prints straight down the centre of this nail. Gosh, the screen just went blurry, guys. I'm really poorly. Should be in bed. So yeah, stick that in the lamp. I always double cure it when I'm doing this acrylic stuff. So that's done now, all the way down. I'm using a really long liner brush, and I'm just going to do a straight line straight down each side, and I'm going to do some little dots down each side as well. It's a sweater nail, isn't it? It's a sweater nail made out of paw prints, but they're not dog paw prints, they are bear prints. Oh dear. Right, so now I am using Mystique. I really wanted to incorporate this colour into this set. I wish I could have put more of this colour in this set because these colours just flow nicely, but I managed to get some of this colour in. So I'm just doing a line like that, and I'm doing another one next to it, and this is just going to be a bit of, I don't even know what you'd call it. Like, I don't know what you'd call it, but anyway, stick that in a lamp for 30 seconds. And I'm giving it a matte top coat because I'm going to be doing another straight line over the top of those and it's hard to draw straight lines over lines because you get little lumpy bumps. So that's why I've matte top coated it. So now I'm using the same colour I've used on the other nails, and I'm just doing another line in the opposite direction, bit thicker, and then I'm going to do another little skinny line underneath that and cure them. And again, I'm giving it another matte top coat because I am going to do a little bit of a sweater nail. Exactly the same with the little paw prints as what I've done on the other nails. Except these are the teeny tiniest little paw prints you've ever seen. So exactly the same thing, sprinkling them with acrylic. They're just teeny tiny ones. Right, and I've pulled out the Madam Glam Gold Gel Paint. I love this stuff. I say it every single time I pull it out. It's beautiful, beautiful stuff. It cures glossy, so you don't need to top coat it. It's just jam-packed full of sparkle, isn't it? I love using it. Quick swipe like that. It's so pigmented and full of sparkle. Isn't it pretty though? I love it. And on this nail, I'm just going to do a couple of, just a couple of little lines with the gold. I didn't want the gold just to be on that nail bed, so I've stuck a couple of stripes down this nail as well. And these gel paints cure in the lamp for 60 seconds. Guys, look at this little fella. How cute is that? Can you see his feet, those little love hearts? I coloured them in using that nude because they were just purple and boring and you couldn't see them. So I coloured them in that nude. I think they look so cute in the nude. So I'm just sticking it on with a tiny bit of rhinestone glue. If these was on your real nails, I'd really get them stuck on there with clear polygel or something. But anyway, guys, that is them finished. How cute are they? Look at that little guy. Oh, I love these. I love those colours together. Anyway, guys, that is it for today. I need to go to bed. I need my cosy warm pyjamas. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already. And hopefully, I'll see you in my next one. Take care. Bye.